Capcut versus Inshot. Both are powerful video editing software with user-friendly interface, fully packed with features, but which one is the best smartphone video editing app for you? Stick around because you and I are breaking down everything about their features, interface, pricing, and finding out which one is easier to use. Starting with the overview of both apps. Capcut was developed by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok. Capcut used to be free, but now majority of the good features are only available to pro users who can only use Capcut with no watermark. Capcut is packed with advanced editing tools, effects, and templates. Capcut is also great for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. InShot was created by InShot Incorporations. InShot have a feature called freemium model, meaning the free version has a watermark, but you can remove it while exporting your videos if only you can watch an advert or two, while paid version removes it permanently. InShot is known for its simple, intuitive editing and strong social media features. InShot is popular among YouTubers, Instagrammers, and vloggers. Now, let's talk about the interface and ease of use. A good video editor should be easy to navigate, especially for beginners, right? So, CapCut is a clean so CapCut has a clean but slightly more complex interface than InShot. The editing timeline is confusing because it is similar to the desktop version. CapCut has lots of presets, templates, and effects, which is great for quick edits. On the other hand, InShot's interface is super simple and beginner friendly with fewer overwhelming options compared to CapCut. InShot have a drag and drop functionality, which makes trimming and arranging clips effortless. If you are a beginner, InShot might feel less intimidating, but if you want more control, CapCut layout is still very simple once you get used to it. Now, let's compare their editing tools, starting with key features of both apps. CapCut 1. Advanced cutting and splitting for precision editing. 2. Keyframe animation, which gives you professional level control. 3. Auto captions and text to speech, great for content creators, especially those who like to create faceless channels. The text to speech option helps you voice out your script. 4. Huge effects library including trending transitions, filters, and overlays. 5. Background removal, which can be automatically done or with green screen effect inside of CapCut. 6. Cloud collaborations, which is also referred to as share projects. This enables you to work with a team. In short, 1. Basic cutting and trimming, simple but effective. 2. Speed control and reverse video. 3. Music and sound effect library. 4. Customizable aspect ratios, which is ideal for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. 5. Photo editing. 5. Photo editing tools with a collage with adjustable brightness contrast, and so on and so forth. This is a feature that CapCut does not have. 6. Stickers and text animations, which brings in fun and creativity. CapCut is like the Swiss Army knife of mobile video editing, with tons of tools, while InShot is more streamlined but still powerful for quick, high quality edits. Effect filters and templates. If you love effects, this is where the two applications really differ. CapCut has massive library of transitions, filters, and AR effects with trending TikTok templates because it was built with TikTok in mind. With an easy one-tap edit, CapCut has pro-level color grading options, which includes HSL. Meanwhile, InShot InShot effects are also good with selection of filters and transitions, but InShot effects are also good with selection of filters and transitions, but InShot filters and transitions are more basic compared to CapCut, but still high quality and great for quick aesthetic enhancement. CapCut wins in sheer variety, but InShot effects are still solid for most creators. Audio and music options. Audio can make or break your video. So let's see how CapCut and InShot are doing in this regard. CapCut has a huge music library which is licensed for TikTok and YouTube. CapCut has voice effects and pitch control. CapCut has audio docking. This automatically lowers background music when you are speaking. InShot also has decent music library too, but some tracks required payment. InShot has voice over recording with noise reduction and basic fade in fade out controls. CapCut has a slight edge here when it comes to free and better audio controls. Let's talk about pricing and watermarks. Now, the big question here is how much do they all cost? CapCut is used to be one CapCut used to be 100% free, but now it is not anymore. Now every great feature you can think of is a pro feature. You are not even allowed to export in 4K anymore except you subscribe. So I can categorically say CapCut is no longer free. InShot on the other hand is free because with the premium InShot, on the other hand, is free because with its freemium option, even though our version has a watermark, you are given permission to remove it if you can watch one or two adverts. CapCut does not even give you any option to export at all if you are not using premium. So if you hate watermarks, CapCut currently is a no-go area, while InShot is a clear winner in this category here. Also that InShot Pro version is affordable compared to the price of CapCut if you want extra feature. Let's dive deeper into export quality and format. CapCut exports up to 4K resolution on supported devices. It has multiple formats and frame rates as you can see, and it doesn't have compression issues at all. Meanwhile, InShot also exports up to 4K but sometimes compresses files more. InShot also have customizable bitrate and resolution as you can see here. So both support high quality export, but CapCut handle compressions better. Now, which one should you choose? Which app is right for you? Choose CapCut if you want advanced editing tools for a fee, if you need TikTok reels, templates and effects, and if you prefer to pay to remove watermark. You should choose InShot if you want a simpler, faster editor and you don't mind watching few adverts to remove its watermark. If you want to focus on basic cut, filters and speed adjustment. Honestly, both applications are great. If you are serious about editing on smartphone, CapCut is unbeatable for its paid features. But if you want something quick and easy, InShot is a fantastic choice. I will leave down links in the description below. Try both apps and see which one fits your style. But if you have tried both before, tell me, which app do you prefer, CapCut or InShot? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech comparisons like this. So see you in the next video showing on the screen right now.